Okay, so in the last class, we have discussed regarding the different number system that we have. Okay, so total can just go through it. How many number system did we study? What are the different number systems that we have studied?
Binary, decimal,
Binary, decimal, octal, and
hexadecimal.
Product.
hexadecimal. Okay, so these are the different number systems that we have seen. Binary are generally used by the computers. Decimals are generally used by humans, and octal and hexadecimal was introduced by in order to use by the programmer. Okay, so that programmer can use them. Okay, because remembering all the binary digits were difficult for the normal programmer, so they try to switch it, try to lower that by making the binary into a groups of 3. So that system was called as octal, and by making a grouping that binary digit into group of 4 by calling that number system as 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 if you make binary digit into a group of 4, what it is called?
Hexadecimal.
Hexadecimal. Okay, hexadecimal. So we have seen the different number system. We have seen the conversion also. Okay, so have you did the conversion the last time which I've said? Have you got the conversion?
Yes.
Okay, so I think what was the number? It is 48.65, right? यही था कुछ या 48.60 था क्या था?
65.
48.65.
48.65.
Okay, so can someone tell me what is the answer that you have got? Can someone tell me?
डेसिमल टू ऑक्टल में 60.514 आया है.
1 second. Yeah, so 48.65. If I've got 48.65, which is a decimal number, so in octal, what I've got? Can you repeat again, Edwin?
60.514.
60.514. Everybody got this one answer as the answer, or are there something else? Okay, tell me how to convert 0.65. Tell me how to convert 0.65 into octal number system.
और 0.65 को 8 को मल्टीप्लाई करना है.
8 को multiply किया. What is the answer that you have got? 8 5 are 40, carry 4.
5.200.
5.200.
200.
Okay, 5.20. Okay, so we'll just record 5 over here. Okay, then we'll take 0.20. We multiply with 8. Okay, we don't take 5.20 now. We take 0.20 multiplied by
Yes.
8. We'll get answer as 1.6.
1.6.
So from 1.6 we'll get 1. We take 0.6 as the next number, multiply by 8. 8 6 are 48. So 4.8. So we get 4 as our answer. Okay. We take 8 again. Okay, so 0.8 multiplied by 8, we get 6.4. Okay, so we have got 6 over here. We take again 0.4 multiplied by 8, we get 3.2. We get 3 over here. Okay, so yeah, so the total number that we get is 60.51463. Is this the answer everybody got?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is the octal number that we get. Now we need to convert 48.65, which is a decimal number. We wanted to convert this decimal number into hexadecimal. Tell me the answer for this.
40.866.
40.866. Is this you got, everybody? Anybody got different answer for this? Anybody got different answer? So 48, if you want to convert into hexadecimal, how to do it? We take divide by 16. So how many times does it go?
सर 30 पॉइंट आएगा कि 40 पॉइंट?
हाँ, वही मैं पूछ रहा हूँ.
30.
I think it will be
30.866 है.
30 point. 30 point.
Okay. Yeah, it is 30 because 16 threes are 40, I think, right? Sorry, 48. 16 threes are 48. So if you try to divide it, it goes 3 times, and the remainder that you get is 0. So the number that you get is basically 30. And then 65 को convert करने के लिए what you do? 0.65 you multiply by 16. And whatever is the answer that you get,
16.
keep the integer value and multiply the next floating number, and keep on doing that, you'll get the respective answer. So सबको ये आ रहा है 30.866. Everybody is getting the same answer.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So these are the number system that we have studied. Okay, so I'll quickly just give one last example. Okay, just try to convert it, and everybody please get the exact answer. Okay, yeah. So the number is 28.19. Okay, which is a decimal number. Please try to convert this into binary. Do the same conversion. Convert that binary into octal, and convert the octal into hexadecimal. The same number. I want it in the 3 format: binary, octal, and hexadecimal. Do it fast, and we'll good to go for the next topic. By the way, thank you, Kavya, for reminding for the lecture. I totally forgot about the lecture.
Welcome, sir.
We got the answer. Can someone tell me what is the binary representation for 28?
11100
How many? 11100.
point 1100.
Point 1100. Everybody is getting the same answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
now
sir.
now convert into octal. Convert into octal. It is 34.60. Is this the answer that you are getting? 34.60. Are you guys getting this answer?
Yeah.
Okay. And now convert the same into hexadecimal. So क्या आएगा hexadecimal में? This as 4, this as 4, this as 4. So this is 1. 8 plus
C.
4 is 12. C point C0. Are you getting this as answer? 1C.C0 in hexadecimal?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so everybody understood how to convert from one form to another. Everybody got that?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
Okay, so till now what we have learned, whatever the number system that we have seen, those are which numbers? Those are which numbers? Those are which numbers?
Unsigned.
Unsigned number. What is the meaning of unsigned number? They are always
Positive.
positive. They are always positive. Okay, they cannot be negative. So whatever we have learned is completely unsigned numbers. Okay. Another thing that you need to write down somewhere is whenever you convert, okay, and whatever the digit that you have, okay, so let's say this is the digit that I have, or this is the data that I have. It is 101011. Okay, so if this is my data, this bit and this bit, they are given some name. What are the names that has been given to them?
Lowest significant and maximum.
So the right hand side, which is the last bit that you have, that is called as LSB. It is called as a least significant bit. And the one which is at the left hand side and which is at the first one, that bit is called as the MSB. Always remember that. Okay, so please write down wherever you have. Okay, write down in your book as one of the important thing that you need to note down. Just just border around it, make it as an important point. Okay, what is the important point that you need to have? The important point is whenever there is a data that you have, any digit can be hexadecimal में भी अगर होगा, which is A5612, if this is the digit that you have in this case, and this number, this digit and this digit will be called as MS. It will not be called as B over there, it will be called as MSD and LSD. Okay, so what is the full form? Most significant digit, and the two will be called as LSD, which is least significant digit. In terms of binary, when the number system is in binary, it is called as MSB and LSB. Okay, MSB stand for most significant bit, and the last bit will be called as the least significant bit. Is that clear? Is it clear to you? Is it clear?
Yes.
Yeah, the significance is very important. Okay, it will be used a lot in the next topic. Okay, just remember that thing. Okay, आगे चले.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Has everybody noted? Yes. Any doubt?
सर वो क्या
Sorry.
सर आपने वो बाइनरी में कन्वर्ट किया है ना,
हाँ,
उसमें
sir,
ये
0.0011 है.
बाइनरी में जो कन्वर्ट किया है यहाँ पे 0.001 है क्या यहाँ पे, यानी 11100.001 है, ये आंसर है.
हाँ सर।
ओके, फाइन. ठीक है, अभी अब बहुत आगे आ गए हैं, यही है ना. सो सी टू इट दैट यू सॉल्व ऑन योर ओन. ओके, अभी तो बहुत आगे बढ़ गया, हमें नेक्स्ट टॉपिक पे जाना पड़ेगा. डू यू वांट मी टू सॉल्व इट?
यस सर।
Okay, I'll solve it. So we have got the number as 28.19. 28.19 can be converted as, पहले सबसे पहले इसका दो पार्ट है. one is called as a integer, other is called as a fraction part. Okay, so integer you need to divide by 2. So 28 को 2 से divide करो, what will get? So 2 is divided by 28 is divided by 2, you'll get 14. The remainder is 0. Divide 14 by 2, you'll get 7. The remainder is 0. Divide 7 by 2, you'll get the answer as 3. The remainder is 1. Divide 3 by 2, you'll get the answer as 1, and the remainder is 1. 1 cannot be divided by 2, so you need to stop it over here. So what you'll get as the answer? It is 11100. Okay, so this part is okay. The second part is the fraction part. So 0.19. The fraction part you always multiply by 2. So multiply it. 2 9s are 18. 1 carry. 2 1s are 2. 3. So it is 3.8. 3.8 ka the fraction, the integer part you just recorded, which is 3. 8 is remaining, so you just have 0.8. Okay, so 0.8 into 2 is 1.
उसका
Sorry.
0.19
It is 0.38, right? 0.38. So 0.38 ka fraction, so integer part is 0. 0.38 you have got, whatever 0.38 you have got, just multiply
0.76.
0.76.
Yes sir.
0.76. You get 0. Then 0.76 you multiply by 2 again. So 2 6 are 12. Carry over 2 7 are 14. 15. 1.52. 1.52 ka you'll get 1 now. Okay. Now you get 0.52 multiplied by 2. You'll get 1.52. You'll get
3.04.
how much?
3.0.
3 point कैसे होगा? 0.52 multiplied by 2. 0.52 multiplied by 2.
1.04.
So it is
1.04.
2 2s are 4. 2 5s are 10. So 1.04. 1.04 ka you'll get 1. Okay. So the number that you get is this one. Okay. So which is 111000011. Okay. और आगे अगर जाना है आपको, आप जा सकते हो. So it is 0.4 into 2. 0.04 into 2, which is equal to 0.08. Okay, so you'll get another 0. So this is the final number that you get. कैसे आया समझ में आया आपको? Is there a doubt? Do you want me to repeat again?
सर ऑक्टेल भी 34.14 था.
हाँ, वो सब बदलेगा, सब बदल जाएगा अगर वहाँ पे गलती है तो. यहाँ पे क्या लिखा था हमने 1110 1110 00 हाँ थोड़ा गलत हो गया था मेरे ख्याल से. So it is yeah. So 001100 होगा. You want me to repeat again?
No,
एक
sir.
और एग्जांपल लेता हूँ. I'll just take another example. Okay, we'll just make sure कि हम ये clear करके ही जाएं आगे. Okay, just a second. Okay, I'll take another example. Let's say the random number 37.12. Okay, so this is the number. Everybody, please pay attention. Okay, 37.12. This is in decimal. I want to convert into binary. So सबसे पहले मैं क्या करूँगा? I'll identify the two part. One is the integer part. Other is the fraction part. Integer part I'll try to divide by 2, and
2.
fraction part I'll multiply by 2. Okay, so start doing the first part. So 37, keep on dividing by 2. What you'll get? 1 and
18.
8. नहीं 18 नहीं, 18 होगा. हाँ 18. I'll get a carry 1. Okay, I'll get a carry 1. उसके बाद 18 को divide by 2. What will get? 2 9s are 18. I'll get what? 0 is a carry. Then divide 9 by 2. You'll get 4 times and you'll get a carry 1. Divide 4 by 2. You'll get 2 as the output and carry as 0. Divide 2 by 2. You'll get 1 as the output and 0 as the carry. Is this everybody get? सबको यही मिला है?
Yes, sir.
The number that you get is basically it is 1 0 0 1 0 1. Okay, point I need to identify about 12. 12 को कैसे represent करना है? So what I'll do, 0.12. This is the fraction part that I'm doing. Please listen carefully. Okay, so 0.12 I'll divide by 2. Okay, I'll get the answer as 24. 0.24. Okay, everybody got this answer? What I'll do, I'll just take this part and I'll just record this part as 0. I'll take 0.24. I'll take this part and multiply by 2. I'll multiply by 2. So 0.24 multiply by 2. What will get? 0.48. Again, this 0 will come over here and this 0.48 will go over here. 0.48 multiply by 2 will get 0.96, right?
Yes.
0.96. So this 0.96 ka 0 will come over here and this 96 will go to the next step. So 0.96 multiplied by 2 will be the answer.
1.92.
1.92. Okay, now this 1 will come over here and this 0.92 will come over here. 0.92 multiplied by 2, what will get as the answer?
1.84.
1.84. Again this 1 will come over here and this 84 will go down. Okay, हम यहाँ पे रुक जाते हैं because we have done 5 different multiplications. Okay, so how to follow this? This is followed from bottom to top. This is followed from top to bottom. Okay, so this is the sequence that I will follow. So point के आगे मुझे क्या लगाना? I'll write 0 0 0 1 1. Is this clear? Is this part clear?
Yes, sir.
This is what I get in binary. This is what I get in binary. Okay, I'll quickly take an eraser. I'll just erase everything. Okay. So सबको बाइनरी में कैसे कन्वर्ट करना है ये सबको समझ में आ गया. Everybody got that? Everybody got that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now that binary part I need to convert into octal. So what I'll do, I'll group them in how much?
3.
How many bits? 3. So start grouping them. So before point, you have to follow the sequence. Point से पहले का जो part है, you have to start from right to left, and point के बाद वाला part you have to start from left to right. Is that clear? So please follow the same sequence. Okay, I'll quickly take some other color.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so before point I need to group into group of 3. So this is my first group, this is my second group. पॉइंट के बाद मैं यहाँ से स्टार्ट करूंगा, पॉइंट के आगे से स्टार्ट करूंगा, तो यहाँ से मैं 3 का ग्रुप यहाँ से स्टार्ट करूंगा और ये भी मुझे 3 के ग्रुप में लेना है, लेकिन यहाँ पे 2 ही है, तो मैं क्या करूंगा, यहाँ पे एक एडिशनल 0 ले लूंगा. इज दैट क्लियर? इज इट क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
So this 100 can be represented as, in decimal, tell me what is 100? It is
4.
4.
4.
4.
This 101 is nothing but it is
5.
5.
5. Then point,
0.
then this 0, then 110 is
6.
6. So this is what I get as my answer in octal. Now in order to convert it into, let's say hexadecimal, I'll just take another color. Okay, hexadecimal I need to start the grouping into 4. So instead of 3 I'll make a group of 4. So this is the first group that I get. Okay, this is the second group that I get. Okay, but I have got only 2 numbers, so I need to add extra 2 zeros. Is it clear? Is it clear? On the right hand side, on the fractional part, I'll again make a group of 4. So group of 4 is this one. This one is remaining alone, so I'll need to add extra how many zeros? 1, 2, 3. I need to add extra 3 zeros. Okay, so tell me the number. So 0010 is what?
2.
Is 2. It is 2. This 0101 is what?
5.
5. The first one is 2, the second one is 5. Then we have got 25.0001. What is that?
1.
1. Yeah, it is 1. And that 1000 is what?
8.
8.
So what I got, the number in hexadecimal, 37.12 in hexadecimal is nothing but it is 25.18. Is this clear? Is the conversion clear
Yes.
to you? Okay,
Yes,
so this is
sir.
how we basically do the conversion. Okay. There are other method also. अगर डायरेक्टली अगर आपको करना है तो आप बाइनरी को लेकर के या इस नंबर को अगर मुझे कन्वर्ट करना है तो मैं उसको डिवाइड बाय 16 कर सकता हूँ और इसको मल्टीप्लाई बाय 16 कर सकता हूँ, which is a hectic part. The easiest part is first try to convert into binary. Binary से आगे का solution is quite simple. It is not that difficult at all. Okay. Can we go ahead? आगे चले?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. We'll go to the next number system. The next number system, the next type of number. अभी तक जो हमने पढ़ा था, those were all unsigned numbers. Now just write down the heading as signed numbers. Okay, it is one of the most important numbers. These numbers are called as signed numbers. So what is the meaning of signed numbers? Signed numbers are the numbers which has 2 things. What are the 2 things? It has
Positive
a
and
sign.
Sign.
It has the number. Okay, so that sign can be either it can be positive or it can be negative. The number is nothing but it is the magnitude. Okay, so the actual magnitude plus it also has a sign. So such type of numbers are basically called as a signed numbers. Is this clear? Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, so signed numbers. अब तक जो हमने पढ़ा था, let's say अगर मुझे 5 represent करना, I want to represent 5, I can write down as 101. This is 5. Everybody agrees? If I want to add,
Yes,
if I
sir.
want to represent -5, how I can represent -5? Can someone explain? Any logic for this? या कुछ अपने दिमाग आपके हिसाब से क्या होना चाहिए? -5 को मैं कैसे represent कर सकता हूँ?
सर zeros 1 में हो जाएगी 1 zeros में
0 1 हो जाएगा, 1 0 हो जाएगा, यानी this 1 will become 0, this 0 will become 1 and this 1 will become 0. Is this how it will be?
ऐसा हो सकता है सर
Yes.
अगर ऐसा हुआ तो this is nothing but 2. You'll get confused, right? This is 2, this is -5. So there has to be some other way around, right? कुछ एक अलग टेक्निक होना चाहिए, right? Yeah, everybody agrees?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So the other technique is basically called as the signed number system. Signed number system. Okay. What is a signed number system? Signed number system says that it says only one thing, that MSB represent the sign of the number. MSB represent the sign of the number. Is that clear? MSB represent the sign of the number. यानी अगर मुझे 5 लिखना है, I write 101. and that MSB अगर sign अगर number positive है, if the number is positive, then that bit should be 0. If the number is negative, that bit should be 1. Okay, so if I want to represent 5, now I cannot represent by 101. 101 का मतलब 5 नहीं होगा. अगर मुझे 5 करना है, which is positive, I need to add extra bit, I need to add extra MSB, and that MSB will represent my sign. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
तो अगर मैं 5 को मैं रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए 0101 लिख रहा हूँ, तो -5 को रिप्रेजेंट कराने के लिए क्या होगा? 101 तो होगा, 101 तो होगा 5 के लिए, and MSB I need to add. So what MSB I should put over here? It is 1. So this will become -5. Is it clear?
Yes,
Is it
sir.
clear? So such type of numbers, such type of numbering system is basically called as signed number system. But there is a big loophole into it. इसमें loophole क्या है? Everybody was overjoyed with this कि हाँ यार ये number system अच्छा है, सब कुछ अच्छा है. But there was a problem with this. What was the problem? I'll just list it down. Okay. We'll start with the normal number system. Normal number system. We are talking about binary. Now everything that we are dealing with now, अब यहाँ से जो भी part हम पढ़ेंगे, अब सब का सब हम binary में बात करेंगे. Okay. We are talking about binary. Everything is being related to the other number system. क्योंकि हम computer की बात करें, अब सब कुछ binary में आ जाएगा यहाँ पे. Okay. So first we have a normal number system. Okay, then I'll have a signed number system. I'll have a signed number system. Okay, and this is a decimal number that I have over here. Decimal आपको समझने के लिए कि क्या किस नंबर की बात चल रही है. Okay, we'll start with the let's say we'll write down. We'll start with -5. Okay, we'll start with -5. Normal number system में how to represent -5? -5 कैसे लिखोगे आप? 101 ही लिखोगे. Okay, you don't have anything for identifying minus sign, so we'll just write down 101. Yeah. Next is -4. How to write -4 in number system, normal number system?
100.
100. It is just 4. You cannot add minus to it. Okay. Then you need to write -3. -3 is written down as
011.
1. Okay. Then 2 -2 can be written down as 0.
010.
10. Then -1 can be written down as 0 0 1. Then 0 comes. 0 can be written down as 0 0 0. What about 1? 1 can be written down as 0 0 1. 2 can be written down as 0 1 0. 3 can be written down as 0 1 1. 4 can be written down as 1 0 0, and 5 can be written down as 1 0 1.
1 0.
Yeah. Is this clear? यहाँ तक clear है? Is this clear? Now tell me about signed numbers. How to write signed numbers? -5 can be written down as 101 आप लिख लोगे और आप यहाँ पे साइन दोगे. साइन क्या होगा यहाँ पे? 1. 4 can be written down. -4 can be written down as 100, and you need to put a sign as 1. 3 can be written down. -3 can be written down as 011, and you'll put a sign as 1011. 2 can be written down as 010, and -2 is written down as 1010. 1 can be written down as 001. Okay, and you'll put a negative over here. 0 can be written down as 000. Okay, what you need to put over here? MSB 1 or 0?
0.
0. Okay. 1 can be written down as 0
0 0.
1 and 1 or 0.
0.
2 can be written down as 0 1 0, and you will have MSB of 0. 3 can be written down as 0 1 1, and you will have MSB of 0. 4 can be written down as 1 0 0, and you'll have a MSB of 0. 5 can be written down as 1 0 1, and you'll have a MSB of 0. Is this point clear?
Yes,
Is this
sir.
clear? Yeah. What is the shortcoming that you feel? Signed numbers और number system में क्या drawback लग रहा है आपको? Are you wasting something?
कंफ्यूज हो जाएंगे सर.
क्या हो जाएगा?
कंफ्यूज हो जाएंगे, क्वेश्चन पता भी नहीं चलेगा क्या पूछा है.
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं. There is no confusion. If I just give a number, random number मैं आपको दे रहा हूँ. Okay, 1 0 1 1 0 11110 ये मैं नंबर दे रहा हूँ. Can you tell me this number if you are talking about sign numbers? अगर ये sign number की बात करें तो इस number का मतलब क्या है? This is your sign. Just tell me what is the sign? It is
6.
it is.
Minus.
Just tell me sign. What is the meaning of this bit? It is minus.
Minus
Minus.
The remaining is your number. Tell me the number. It is
6.
minus 6.
minus 6.
6.
कुछ प्रॉब्लम है? कुछ प्रॉब्लम है? नंबर में कंफ्यूजन तो कुछ नहीं है. I'll take another number 0 1 1 1. Tell me the number. It is 0. It means it is positive. This 3 1 is
Positive.
7. It is plus 7. कोई इशू नहीं है. कोई भी इशू नहीं है. इसका मतलब नंबर सिस्टम परफेक्ट है.
Yes, sir.
The number system is quite perfect, but there are two drawbacks. पहला drawback ये है कि एक bit extra waste हो रही है आपकी. You are wasting one extra bit, right? Everybody agrees to that?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, extra bit waste हो रही है आपकी. Yeah, wastage
sir.
हो रहा है. Okay, so इस वजह से क्या हो रहा है? अगर let's say मैं 3 bit का नंबर सिस्टम अगर यूज करता हूं, इफ आई यूज 3 बिट नंबर सिस्टम, नॉर्मल नंबर सिस्टम में आई कैन हैव 2 raised to 3, यानी कितने नंबर हो जाएंगे? 8 नंबर्स को आई कैन रिप्रेजेंट. या एवरीबॉडी एग्रीज?
Yes.
लेकिन अगर वही मैं साइन नंबर्स में अगर मैं 3 बिट यूज करूंगा तो 1 बिट तो आपका साइन में जाएगा. अब 2 ही बिट बचा. 2 बिट का मतलब कितना हो जाएगा? आई कैन रिप्रेजेंट जस्ट 4 नंबर्स. आर यू गाइस गेटिंग इट? So basically मुझे एक बिट का नुकसान नहीं हो रहा है. I am getting half the number. I can just represent only half the number which I was able to represent before. अगर मैं 1024 नंबर दिखा पा रहा था साइन बिट नंबर से, सॉरी नॉर्मल नंबर सिस्टम से, सो वही सेम बिट को यूज करके आई कैन जस्ट रिप्रेजेंट 512 नंबर्स ओनली. सो बाकी नंबर्स को मैं रिप्रेजेंट नहीं करा सकता. Okay, so whatever numbers that I can represent in normal number system, exactly half I can represent in sign numbers, because one bit is explicitly reserved for sign. So that is one of the drawback. Is the first drawback clear? Is the first drawback clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So that is the biggest drawback. अगर आप एक बिट भी अगर आप वेस्ट कर रहे हो तो इसका मतलब आपका रिसोर्सेस यानी आपके मतलब कंप्यूटर को एक्स्ट्रा नंबर को एक एक्स्ट्रा बिट को स्टोर करना पड़ेगा और उसके ऊपर एक्स्ट्रा प्रोसेसिंग लगेगा और उसके ऊपर एक बिट के लिए एक्स्ट्रा फ्लिप फ्लॉप आपको ऐड करना पड़ेगा. एंड इट इज अगर वो पॉजिटिव है तो पॉजिटिव के लिए भी आपको 0 which is not required at all, but still you need to save that. Okay, so which is quite hectic. Okay, so that is one of the negative of the sign number system. The second major problem of this number system was, if I write down this as binary, can you tell me what is the value of this? In sign
0.
number system, it is 0.
0.
If I write something like this, what is it? Can you tell me the number?
8.
8.
How 8? The MSB is representing the sign. So tell me the
Minus
sign.
0.
Minus
Zero.
0.
Is there a number called as minus 0?
No.
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 That means this is something which is wrong, okay, which cannot be allowed, okay, because in maths, a 0 cannot be a positive or negative. It is something which is you can include in positive, but you cannot include in negative. Minus 0 करके कोई चीज होती नहीं है, right? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So that is why this number system failed. This number system failed a lot, big time. Okay. So because of this, there was another number system was introduced, and that was called as a ones complement number system. Okay, I'll quickly erase this part. Yeah, I'll go to the next slide. That would be better. This the first way of sign number system was just sign number system, but sign number system का दो drawback था. एक sign store करने के लिए और दूसरा किस वजह से? Because it was generating a number which was called as minus 0, which is not allowed. इस वजह से हमने second number system को second way of representing sign numbers को implement किया, and that was called as a ones complement. Okay, what is a ones complement? What is the meaning of ones complement? The meaning of ones complement का मतलब something which is negate, something which is vice versa. So 0 का complement क्या होगा?
1.
1.
1 का complement क्या होगा?
0.
0.
0. Okay, so we'll just quickly understand with the help of some number system. Okay, so हम लोग start करते with 3. We'll go from 3, we'll go to 2, then we'll go to 1, then we'll go to 0, then we'll go to 1, then we'll go to 2, then we'll go to 3. Okay, before doing that, I'll just tell you how to do the complement. Okay, so मेरे पास एक number है which is 101. 101 is nothing but 5. Yeah, it is 5.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so
Yes,
101
sir.
is nothing but it is 5. Yeah, 101 is nothing but it is 5. Its complement is nothing but, अगर मैं इसका complement लूंगा तो इसका complement क्या आएगा? It is 1 का complement is 0, this 0 का complement is 1, and this 1 का complement is nothing but it is 0.
0.
Okay, so yeah, so this is how it was supposed to be. Okay, हमने सोचा कि ये number system को करके देखते हैं, and also we need to have sign also. उसके आगे हमें sign भी लगाना पड़ेगा. If it is +5 that you want to represent, आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? यहाँ पे एक 0 लगाना पड़ेगा. So now you are talking about 0. और अगर -5 है, अगर आपको ये बताना कि if this is -5, then you need to add 1 to it. Are you guys getting it? Okay, we'll take this example. 3 को मुझे binary represent करके बताओ. How to write down 3?
0 1 1.
0 1 1.
0 1 1. Okay, I'll just write down I'll just write down 1 1. 1 1 मतलब 3 होता है. मैं 0 अगर लगा दिया इसका मतलब I'm talking about +3. 2 can be represented as 1 0. मैंने 0 लगा दिया तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? +2. 1 can be represented as 0 1. एक और मैं 0 लगा देता हूँ. Still it is +1. यहाँ तक क्लियर है? Is it clear? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, MSB is still representing my sign. Okay, don't forget that. Then 0 को represent कराने के लिए 0 is nothing but 0 0 0. No issues. Okay, now I need to represent -1 -2 and -3. -1 -2 -3 के लिए मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ? What I'm doing is 1 का complement ले लेता हूँ. Okay, अगर मुझे -1 स्टोर करना है तो मैं 1 का complement लूंगा. What is the complement of 1? Can someone tell me?
1 0 0.
Just do the complement of this. Just do the complement of this.
0
It
1
is
1 0.
double 1 0. It is double 1 0. Okay. What is the complement of 2? 2 का complement क्या
1 0 1.
1 0 1.
1 0 1.
1 0 1.
What is the complement of 3? -3.
1 0 0.
1 0 0.
1 0 0. Okay. So this is how I used to write down my ones complement. Okay. अभी भी लोगों को लग रहा है कि confusion है. I'll just quickly take any random number. Okay. So I'll just take a number which is, let's say 1 1 0 1. Tell me the number. What is this number? Is the number negative or positive?
Negative.
The number is negative. It is not -5. Don't just look at the number and tell me the answer. Okay. It is not. It is negative. First you need to look the number at the MSB. MSB is 1, so that means the number is negative. अब आगे चलते हैं. Since the number is negative, इसका मतलब this is not your actual number. You need to take its ones complement. इसका ones complement लो क्या आएगा? Just take its ones complement. It is 1 का क्या complement आएगा? 0. This is 0.
1
Complement is 1. This is 0. This is 0. So this is what now? 2. And the number is what? -2. Are you guys getting it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If I write down something like this sort, 0 1 0 1. Tell me this number now. So just tell me the sign. What is the sign?
Positive.
Positive. Since the number is
Positive.
positive, that means this is the actual value. This is the true value. What is this value? 101 is nothing but it is.
5.
5.
5.
Is this clear? Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, I'll take another random number 1110. Tell me the number. Don't tell me it is -6.
Negative.
It is negative, that is for sure. Since it is negative, that means the number is stored in its ones
-1.
complement. It is stored in ones complement. It is if you take its ones complement, it is 1. This is 0 0 0. So this is -1. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so everything is is working perfectly fine. Is it working perfectly fine?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that means still it has one drawback. That one drawback क्या है इसका? What is the one drawback? It is wasting 1 bit for sign. 1 bit for sign is being wasted. बराबर ना?
Yes.
एक bit waste हो रही है. But still दूसरा वाला drawback है क्या? Check करते हैं. We'll just check the second drawback. What is the second drawback? If I have all 4 zeros, what is this number?
1 1 1 1.
What is the number? Just tell me what is the mean? What is the number? Is it?
0.
0.
It is plus zero.
Positive.
Plus zero. It is
Positive
0.
0. Yes, sir.
If I have this as my number, now tell me what is it?
Negative.
It is
Negative
negative.
7.
It is negative. It is negative. Since it is negative, that means
0.
इसका complement आपको लेना पड़ेगा.
0.
So again, what is coming? What is coming?
0.
Negative 0.
Negative 0. Is negative 0 should be there?
No.
No.
It should not be there. Okay, so that means this number system also fails. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
You want me to repeat कर रहे हैं वापस? Do you want me to repeat again? एक बार? I'll repeat again. I'll quickly repeat again. Okay. So one's complement क्यों बना था? One's complement was made in order to represent your signed number. Signed numbers को store करने के लिए there was some problem which was coming. The problem was there was a -0 which was being generated. So one's complement बनाने की कोशिश की गई. One's complement क्या बोलता है कि अगर मैं कोई भी number मुझे अगर store करना है, I need to store that number. If the number is, let's say, positive number, okay, if the number is +5, okay, if it is +5, so I just write down 101, which is 5, and then I need to add extra sign to it. So sign, since it is 5, so I need to add 0 to it, so it is +5. If I need to store -5, अगर मुझे -5 को represent कराना है, so what I'll do, I'll take 2's complement of 5. What is 1's complement of 5? What is 1's complement of 5? It is just reverse the number. So what is the numbers reverse? It is 0,
0, 1,
it is 1, it is 0, it is 1. Okay, so this is the number that I get. Okay, अगर मुझे कोई भी number मिला, कोई भी binary number मिला, let's say it is 1001. If this is the number that I've got, okay, don't just check its MSB. सिर्फ MSB check मत करो और वहाँ पे directly number को convert कर लो. If the MSB says that the number is negative, that means the number is stored in which form? Normal form or its one complement? किस form में store होगा?
One's complement.
One complement.
So first find its one's complement. So what is the one's complement of this number? So this will become 0, this will become 1, this will become 1, this will become 0. So what is this number?
6.
It is -6. The number
Minus
is
6.
The number is -6. Is that clear? I'll take another number, random number, 1, 1, 1, 0. Tell me this number. It is obvious that it is negative. If it is negative, that means the number is stored in which format? Normal format or one's complement?
One complement.
So find its one's complement. Find its one's complement. So it is 0. Sorry, it is 1. It is
0,
0.
0, 0. So tell me the number is.
-1.
-1.
Is it clear? Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
So the problem is I can represent 0. So this is how I can represent 0. But there is a number which is being generated. अगर कुछ ऐसा number generate हुआ, so this number is nothing but it is -0. So since -0 doesn't exist, that means this number system, which number system we are talking about? The one's complement. This number system is a failure, or it is passed. Is it a failure?
Yes.
So it is failure.
Failure.
It cannot be used. It cannot be used. Okay. But one's complement पढ़ा क्यों रहे जब ये use ही नहीं हो सकता? Because there comes another system which is called as a 2's complement, which is just an extension of 1's complement, and it was a successful. That is why 1's complement is being taught to you. Okay. So 2's complement क्या होता है? 2's complement is nothing but कोई भी number अगर आपका है, let's say if this is 5, okay, 5 को अगर मैं इसका binary representation लूँ तो it is 101, and as per sign rule I need to have an extra bit for representing the sign. So this is 0101. Okay, everybody agrees this is +5. Everybody agrees that?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, there is no doubt about it. अगर मुझे -5 represent कराना है, if I want to represent -5 to it, I need to first take its one's complement. इसका one's complement लेना पड़ेगा. How to take one's complement? Just do the reverse of the number. So ये क्या हो जाएगा? This 1 will become 0.
1.
This 0 will become 1. This 1 will become 0. This 0 will become
1.
1. This is my 1's complement of 5. This is 1's complement of 5. Everybody agrees to it? अभी तक मेरा 2's complement नहीं निकला. In order to have the 2 complement, what you need to do? Add 1 to it. Just need to add 1 to it. So now add 0 plus 1 is what?
1.
1. 1 will come down, 0 will come down, 1 will come down. So this is what you get is something which is -5. This is what you get is something as -5. Are you guys getting it?
Yes.
But just by looking at this, can you say it is -5?
No.
No.
You cannot say it. Just by looking that, you cannot say it. Okay. There is a rule for that. Okay. How to get any number. Okay. Fine. Just tell me. I'll just give you some random numbers and you just convert it into 2's complement. Okay. So -3. Find its 2's complement. So 3 can be written down as 0, 1, 1. -3 है तो मतलब क्या लिखोगे आप यहाँ पे? 1 लिख दोगे. What is -3?
0, 0, 1, 0.
It is you add 1 to it, so 1 you'll add 1 to it, so क्या हो जाएगा? Just add 1 to it. So 1 plus 1 is what? 1 plus 1 is
0.
1 plus 1 is basically 2. 2 in binary represented as 1 0, right? So 1 will go to carry and 0 will come down, right? Everybody agrees to that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
बराबर ना? कैसे है? 1 plus 1 is nothing but 2. 2 in binary represented as 1 0. So 1 will go into carry, 0 will come down. Now this 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2 in binary represented as 0, carry will go over here. 1 plus 0 is now 1 and this one will come down. So everybody is getting this as the answer? Double
Yes,
one, double
sir.
0? Okay. Now just show me the 2's complement of -7. So 7 is represented as 0 triple 1. Its 2's complement is nothing but we add 1 to it. What will get? 0 carry 1, 0 carry 1, 0 carry 1.
सर
Yes?
1 आएगा सर पहले,
1 triple 0.
सर
ना?
वो
0 की जगह पे
So
नहीं,
4
सर,
times 1 आएगा.
4 times
Double 1, double 1.
0 triple 1 के अंदर अगर आप 1 ऐड करोगे, अच्छा sorry I haven't taken the 1's complement. I haven't taken the 1's
हाँ
complement, right?
सर, हाँ
Okay, sorry, my bad. So 0 triple 1 का 1's complement ले लो तो it will be 0 0 0 1. After this बराबर ना? After this add 1 to it. बराबर कर रहा हूँ मैं?
यस सर,
So it
तो
is
माइनस
1, it is 0, it is 0, it is 1.
-7 है तो 1 1 1 1 आएगा.
+7 का लिया.
+7 का लेना है आपको. +7 का लेना है आपको. I'll repeat again. Okay. See, you need to represent -7. -7 पहले तो आपको 7 लिखना पड़ेगा. What is 7? 7 is nothing but it is 0 1 1 1. Okay. Since it is -7, आप क्या करोगे उसको? उसका 2's complement आपको लिखना पड़ेगा. 2's complement लिखने के लिए आपको पहले इसका 1's complement निकालना है. So find its 1's complement. किसका 1's complement? 7 का. So find it. क्या हो जाएगा? It is 1 का 0 हो जाएगा, 1 का 0 हो जाएगा, 1 का 0 हो जाएगा. This 0 will become 1. So this number is nothing but it is 1's complement of 7. Now add 1 to it. After adding 1 to it, what will you get? So this is 1, this is 0, this is 0, this is 1. So this number that you have got, this is nothing but it is -7. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now randomly do it for -9. Do it for -9. How 9 is represented? In binary, how 9 is represented? 8
1001.
1001. You need to put 0 over here in order to make it as a positive number. Okay, don't forget that. Is that clear? अगर आप 1 लिख दोगे तो इसका मतलब क्या हो गया? नंबर नेगेटिव हो गया. नंबर नेगेटिव है क्या? नहीं. We are talking about -9, but हम लोग अभी फिलहाल 9 को कन्वर्ट करेंगे 2's complement में. So क्या हो गया? 0 1 0 0 1. यहाँ तक क्लियर है? Is it clear? Why we add extra 0? Is this clear?
सर एक डाउट था.
Okay, I'll just repeat again. फिर से मैं बताता हूँ. Okay, मेरे ख्याल से स्लाइड खत्म हो गई. I'll just discard everything and start from again. Okay.
सर नॉर्मली उस नंबर का 1's कॉम्प्लीमेंट निकाल के +1 करने पे भी तो उसका वही वैल्यू आएगा ना, या कुछ चेंज होगा?
चेंज होगा. बताता हूँ कैसे. Okay, I'll do it from scratch again. Okay, so let's say 3 is my number. Okay, 3 number. We are talking about which type of numbers? Signed numbers. Okay, signed numbers. So 3, which is a +3, can be represented in binary as how it is represented. I can just write 1 1. लेकिन 1 1 लिखने से क्या हो जाएगा? MSB in always signed number is always what? Sign. MSB represent what? Always sign. Yeah. So 1 1 क्या होगा? Will it be a positive number or it will be a negative number?
Negative.
इसका मतलब नेगेटिव है. आगे की बात छोड़ दो. इसका मतलब नेगेटिव है. That means this cannot be 3. But if I make 0 over here, now I can say that it is +3. Can I say that? Can I say?
Yes,
If I
sir.
add extra 0, if I add extra 0, can I still say that it is +3?
yes,
Can I still say it is +3? Yeah. So this is 3. Now अगर मुझे 5 लिखना, I want to represent 5. So 5 can be written down as 101. Can I write 101? Can I write 101 inside number? No, because MSB is 1. That means it is assuming that the number is negative. So I need to add 0 to it. I need to add 0 to it. 0 करने से क्या हो जाएगा? अब मैं बोल सकता हूँ proudly, perfectly that this number is +5. Okay. If I want to represent 7, I can write down 111, but 111 is a negative number, so I need to add 0 to it. Now it has become +7. Is this clear? If I want to write 9, how it can be written down as 9? 9 कैसे लिखोगे आप? 1001. But since MSB is 1, that means the number is negative, so I need to add extra 0 to it. Now the number has become positive. Is this clear? यहाँ तक clear है?
Yes, sir.
Now I need to find how to represent negative number. Negative number कैसे represent करेंगे? अगर मुझे -3 लिखना है, तो मैं क्या करूंगा? जो 3 है, इस 3 का पहले मैं 1's complement निकालूंगा. So find the 1's complement of this. Find the 1's complement of 3. 1's complement of 3 क्या होगा? So 0011 का 1's complement लो. It is 0011. बराबर?
Yes.
अब इसके अंदर मैं क्या करूंगा? 1 ऐड कर दूंगा. 1 ऐड करने से क्या हो जाएगा? ये 1011. So this number that I've got, this is called as 2's complement of 3. 2's complement of 3 is nothing but -3. So क्या हो जाएगा? It is 1101. So -3 is nothing but 1101. समझ में आया कैसे आया?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me what is -5. Tell me the representation of -5. Do by the same step. Just tell me the answer. -5 क्या होगा? जीरो 101 का 1's complement ले लो, क्या हो जाएगा? 0 या 1 0 1 and add 1 to it. What you'll get as the answer?
1011.
1011.
1011. So everybody is getting the same answer, 1011.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now
sir.
tell me what is -7. Tell me what is -7.
1001.
1001.
1001. Everybody is getting the same as the answer.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What about -9 now?
1011.
1011. Everybody is getting the same answer. Okay. Now ये तो समझ में आ गया हमने कैसे कन्वर्ट कर लिया. Okay. Now we need to check कि हम एक्चुअली उसको उसके डेसिमल में रिप्रेजेंट कर पाते हैं क्या. फॉर एग्जांपल अगर मैं आपको ये नंबर दे रहा हूँ 011, टेल मी दिस नंबर. व्हाट इज दिस नंबर? कैन वी एग्री इट इज अ पॉजिटिव नंबर?
Yes, sir.
Can we if it is positive number, that means its true value is the same number. So what is the true value? It is 0111 is nothing but it is 7.
7.
So everybody is getting this answer as the correct answer. Everybody is getting 7.
Yes, sir.
अगर मैं 1001 ऐसा कुछ नंबर दे रहा हूँ, इसका मतलब क्या है? What is the number? What is the meaning? What is the meaning of this?
Negative.
Number is negative. Since the number is negative, that means the number is not stored in its true format. It means it has been stored. It's in 2's complement format. So find its 2's complement. Find the 2's complement of 1001. How to find the 2's complement of 1001? First, find its complement. 1's complement. What is the 1's complement of this 1001? 1's complement क्या होगा? It is 0 1 1 0. Now add 1 to it. क्या हो जाएगा?
0111.
0111. 0111 का मतलब क्या हो गया? What is the meaning of this number? It is
7.
7. And since the number was negative, that means the number is now -7. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Is it
Yes,
clear?
sir.
Are we getting the exactly same number over here as -7?
Yes, sir.
Are we getting the exactly same number? Yeah? Yeah? Yeah. Now tell me 10111. Tell me what is the meaning of this number? What is the actual digit of this number?
Minus 9.
1021. Minus?
9.
How to find it? How to find it? Everybody agrees that the number is negative.
Yes.
How did you agree? Because the MSB is 1. That
1.
means the number is negative. If the number is negative, that means the number is stored in its 2's complement form. 2's complement form में अगर store है तो उसको उसका 2's complement हमें निकालना पड़ेगा in order to get its original value. So how to get the 2's complement of the following number? So 10111 का क्या करोगे आप? 1's complement लो. 1's complement क्या होगा? 0 0 0 0 will become 1 and this 1 will become 0. Now add 1 to it. What you'll get? It is 0 1 0 0 1. This is nothing but what? 9. Since this is 9, since earlier we concluded that the number is negative, that means this number is nothing but it is -9.
-9.
Everybody agrees to it?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Just
sir.
check. -9 क्या? 10,111. यहाँ पे भी 10,111 आया, यहाँ पे भी 10,111 आया. So that means we are able to identify what is the number. Now tell me, what is this number? 2 मिनट. हाँ 2 मिनट. 2 मिनट. Yeah, tell me what is this number?
+0.
It is +0. Everybody agrees to it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Can can you tell me what is this number? What is this number?
-0.
Minus.
2 0.
It is minus. It is minus. That is for sure. What is this number? That means it's stored in its 2's complement. So इसका 1's complement निकालो तो क्या हो जाएगा? 1 1 1 0. उसके अंदर add 1 to it. What will get? Add 1 to it. What will get? 1 plus 1 is 0. Carry 1. 0. Carry 1. 0. Carry 1. 1. What is this number?
8.
8. So what is this number? Minus
-8.
8. Okay. So earlier what you were supposed to get, you were getting 0. You were getting -0. But now this number has changed to -8. Okay. So that means this number system does not support -0. You cannot get -0 in this number system. So since you are not able to get -0, you are able to remove that drawback from the 1's complement. Now you can say that the computer system always uses 2's complement in order to store the data, because it is always based on the normal mathematics that we have, because mathematics doesn't have -0. Similarly, computers doesn't have -0. Why doesn't have the -0? Because it uses the number system which is based on which number?
2 complement.
2's complement. Okay, so always remember, computer stores the number, which number? Signed number specifically, using 2's complement. Okay, is this clear? Please note it down somewhere. Okay, it is one of the important point. It is one of the most important point. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you so much. We'll meet in the next class. I'm sure you will be having some doubt. That doubt we'll try to solve in the next class. Okay. If you're diet second year student, please go to the PCOM lecture. The regular student, if you have doubt, you can stay behind. अगर कुछ पूछना है कुछ और चीज, please stay behind and you can clear your doubt. The diploma student, yeah, sure. Diploma student, we'll see in the next class. Okay. We'll meet in the next class.
सर
yes.
2's complement में भी 1 बिट वेस्ट हो रहा है ना?
Any doubt? अजिंक्य कुछ पूछ रहे थे आपसे?
2's complement में भी 1 बिट वेस्ट हो रहा है.